Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Jishan. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Nowadays my topic is welcome to 2 years designs and technology food learning objectives for the 4 sessions to develop knowledge and understanding of design and technology in the primary school rather the development of skill in machinism, uh, resistance material, textiles as a material, food as a material, learning objective for the 4th session to help you to understand the national curriculum for design and technology, develop knowledge of the health and safety in D&T, understand the cross-curricular nature of D&T, develop planning skills, develop assessment skill. What is food technology? Food links to the every child matters and gender health schools investigative example active kids get cooking example Sunbury investigative www.com. Every child matter. This is a new approach to the well-being of children and young people from birth to age 19. The government's aim is for every child, whatever their background, for their curriculum substance, is to have the support they need. They need to be healthy, safe, enjoy and achieve, make a positive contributions, achieve economic well-being, healthy school initiative. This government program is based on a whole school approach to physical and emotional well-being, focusing on 4 course themes: personal, social and health education, healthy eating, physical activity, emotional health and well-being. Session 4 tea time treat, product analysis using food, designing and making with food, health and safety in food activities, cross curricular food activities, product analysis task or sensory emulations of breads 45 minutes. These activities emphasize the cross curriculum dynamics of D&D, electricity and numeracy. Test and analysis for type of grade. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.